Yeah, okay, good. So this is a good thing what you tell about the list, but basically why we prefer list instead of your tuples and this all. Can anyone let me know why we prefer the list more? Can you identify the gap between it? Have anyone identified why we use list more? Any reason? What is that reason? Can anyone identify it? What do you think? Have you ever think? Because this is an interview question. What I am telling you. If you not think, let go a thought on it. Why it is? Why we use list more?
We can contain the elements in list at a time, many more.
Uh,
And
uh, hmm,
there is some operation like append, extend,
hmm,
and
hmm, hmm.
remove. We can whenever we want to remove, we can remove it and append it also. And
Yeah.
we can it we list wise we also contain and means
I'm
uh,
understanding. Yeah.
according to choice also.
Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Whatever you have tellen, that's well enough, close to the point which I was expecting as the answer. Okay, very good. That's the reason basically in this we can add multiple elements, multiple data types elements, and if you want to perform operations such as someone mentioned append, then you are edit, insert, delete. Okay, so we can do it easily. There is not any big deal to do something in a list. And the one major thing is that it is a mutable. Okay, so that's a big benefit when we talk about the list. Now see today's topic. Everyone, let me check. So everyone, please focus here. Okay, अच्छा, someone answered. Adding and roaming elements can be done through list. Okay, and inbuilt functions are also there in list, so we prefer it very good as compared to tuple. Yeah, very good. It means you have got some understanding regarding it. Now see today's topic, comprehension. Okay, comprehension. Basically, what does it mean? So remember, let me write a proper spelling. If there is a spelling mistake, please make it correct on your side. Okay, I'm not going in the spelling now. See, comprehension. So why we need a concept of a comprehension? So you see here, comprehensions basically in Python provide a concise way. What do you mean concise way? It means we can create a list or your dictionary or a set. There are three types: list comprehension, then your dictionary comprehension, as well as a set comprehension. Okay, so we can understand by the syntax itself why it is required, what is its need. Basically, in interview, when are you facing any interview, the interviewer might may ask you, please solve this question by using the list comprehension, by dictionary comprehension, by set comprehension. As the term is quite big, you might be thinking, oh, it is very hard. Now I am writing in front of you. You can see very simple thing why we use this concept. See here. Let me write in front of you now. So not going in these points, only remember why we use it. Now see, let me start with a basic thing. Okay, so you will be remembering and we will memorizing some previous concepts. So you can see I'm creating it in front of you one list, then one L1, it is empty. It means you came to know what I am doing here in front of you. That is for I in one, and I will be going to append. I will be appending what I need to suppose append it square. Simply I will be doing this, and if I check my L1, you can see I got the squares of all these numbers. I got the square of all these numbers. Simple thing I have done here, that L dot L1 dot append in front of you, where I want the squares of all these numbers. You can see I got the squares of all these numbers. Okay. Now you have seen in front of you I have written how many lines of code. Can anyone let me know how many lines of code I have written in front of you? Can anyone see? Yeah, four. Okay, I have deleted the spaces so you can understand properly. Okay, now see, I am writing the same thing. I am writing the same thing, but what in what way? In what way? Is there any different way of writing it? Yes, there is a different way. That is your comprehension. That is your comprehension. You can see here I have written L. I have appended all elements in a new list. In a new list, okay. But here I can write a simple way. Instead of writing this much thing, I will be writing L2 equal to L2 equal to I star star 2, that it asterisk you can say, or star. Okay, so it will be giving me square. See the syntax, and I will be simply writing for I in L, for I in L. Now see, I have run in your in the screen here itself, and let me print L2. You can see. Do I got the same result? Can anyone let me know? Do I got the same result?
Yes.
So this is the concept of your list comprehension. So basic thing, what happened here? Whatever you do in this manner, you write this many lines of code. No need to write this many lines of code. Simply in the form of a list, or in the form of your dictionary, if this is a dictionary, or if it's a set. So basically list comprehension basically perform on these three types, data types. That is your, you can name it as a basically what I have discussed with you, three types. Yeah, first is your list, second was your dictionary, and third was your set. So you can deal with these three. Okay, remember this thing. You can perform this comprehension on these three. So how we can perform? Let me take more examples on a list, because I need to make you perfect in the list. Okay, you can see I have written same line for I in L, and just I have written this thing before it. Just written this thing before it. Means what is it is doing for I in L, do this thing. For I in L, do this thing. Do this thing. Okay, let me take one more example so it will be more clear. Taking same example again. Okay, so if it is not clear, see now. Suppose I am writing a new variable as a square. Let me take x as a as a my it will be going to increase, or it will be iterate for x in range. And let me now write 1 to 6. So you can see if I print now squares, if I print now squares, you can see I got a output. I think it might be clear now. Yes. What have you understand? Have you got a basic idea behind it? Yes or no? A basic idea. What does the list compression is doing? You can try it in this. This is a list compression. Okay. You can see the syntax itself. This is a list comprehension. Remember this thing. Okay. Now let me take a more examples so you will be more familiar with it. So let me write here one again one good thing. So let me take my same list, this list downwards. So you will be remembering, yeah, we have this list. So I need to perform an operation now where I want to means I want to print only even numbers. How can I do? How can I do? So for that, I know for I in L. First write this thing. First write this thing. When you're doing a list operation, first write this thing. As we know the for loop. So for I in L, now what should be the condition for the what should be condition for the even number? As we know the condition. Simply here it's right. If your I percent, if your I percent, that is modulo equal to 0, equal to 0. So this thing is happening. If this thing is happening, so you need to write your output first. You need to write your output first at the beginning. So what will be printing? I. See now. Do I got the output? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So here is one assignment for you. Now someone code for the odd numbers. As you have seen, I have printed even numbers. Please make a code for odd numbers quickly. Be quick. Same concept using a list comprehension. Take a minute and make it odd by changing one condition only. Not any big deal. Yes, anyone done?
I modulo 2 equal to 1.
Okay, I modulo what? Again repeat. I modulo 2 equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me whole thing? I will write properly from start.
I in list I
I
for I in L,
for I in L.
I modulo 2,
I modulo 2.
if I modulo 2, sorry,
Okay. If I modulo 2 equal to
equal to
1.
1.
Yeah. Am I getting now odd number? You can see. Yes, I am getting. That the code. Who told now code? Atharva. Yeah, Atharva. It is correct. Okay. Yeah. The same condition now Tanishka is also provided. That will be also going to work. You can, if you want to see, you can see now. I am getting same output. If you write I%2 equal to 1 or I%2 not equal to 0, we'll be getting the odd number as our output. So let's be a perfect in what list comprehension first. Then we will move to the dictionary. So see, one more question in front of you. This is my suppose names equal to, and I have some names, and this is a very famous question. Okay, see what the students make mistake. So let me write a good name. I was writing some different names of what we can say my friend's name, but let me write names that will be relative. Some let me write some programming languages name. Python, C++, then your what? Java, CPP, CPP, Java, then what is C? Any one language? Anyone know any language more? JavaScript. Yeah, these are most. Okay. So these are some names I have written in front of me, and the question in front of me is that make all the letters capital. Make all the letters capital and use the list comprehension with the help of a list comprehension. Okay, so this is a question. Now how I can deal with it? Big deal. How can I do it? No need to worry if the question came and if the interview is mentioning, do it by the list comprehension. Simple thing. First, you need to be relaxed because half of part interviewer had made for you easier. Why easier? Because it will use list comprehension. Simple thing. First, square brackets. Okay. Then for I in names, just I am traversing it. Just I am traversing the my list. And what the thing I will be doing here? What the thing I will be doing? See here. I will be doing just what is your names dot upper. So again repeating whatever we write at the first, that will be our output. And I think I have taught you the upper function, yes or no, in the when we are learning the string list as well. I have taught you, yes or no? If those who have done all the lectures, I have taught. Yeah. Now see.
Yes.
Sorry, one mistake here I made. What is the mistake? Okay, I think I have not learned this. I have not done this. Okay, can anyone let me know a very simple error I have made? A very simple mistake I have made. Anyone can let me know what is that mistake? Any very simple mistake. If we are good in the this thing, I hope you have identified the mistake. What is the mistake?
I dot upper.
Very good. That's I think I was expecting answer from all the students. A very simple mistake I have made in front of you. I am iterating the I. So how can I write names? Because name is a list. I need to write a particular element of that list. Okay. Remember. So such mistake when you are learning, you will going to make. Okay. No worries. Is this point clear? List comprehension. I will be taking more examples. Is this clear part now? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me take more examples, one, two, or more examples of a list comprehension, so you will be more good. Okay. So basically, this is the method of writing a list comprehension. Directly, don't go write output and then write a for loop. Okay. It is a not a good thing. You know, we start basically with a for loop. We have practice of writing a for loop. Then we go for the result. In that way, please go and follow that way only. So suppose now let me now take a questions, simple questions. So we will be good in it. As I have done with the square as well. So let me check. I have one question or not in my book. Yeah. So a very simple question. Same thing it is doing here again. So this is the itself. This is the list. Itself the list is same. Just you have to do. Just you have to do. Make it. Make it lower. Make it lower. Same question. Same question. Just copy. And you can see here all the things is already lower. Okay. For that, let me do one thing. Do one thing. I will write this as a names one. I will be storing in the names one. Sorry, names one, and let me read names one. And here I will be calling my names one, and I will be making it a lower. You can see getting the output. Okay. So in this way you can practice more and you will be good enough in your what thing, in your list comprehension. I have taken examples basically which means around this example only your all list comprehension will be going to rely probably. Okay. Okay, so first we have done with a list. Now see the dictionary. Dictionary. So anyone let me know what is dictionary? Please let me know what is dictionary.
Value pair.
Yeah, key value pair. But what more you know about the dictionary? That's the important thing. Yes, anyone? That is good. You know about the key value pair. But what else you know about it? What else you know about dictionary? I'm talking about the dictionary. What else you know about the dictionary? Anything new? Means say I also know that is a key value pair. But why is it used? Anything means whenever in interview, suppose an interviewer asks you what is dictionary, are you telling only this part? Yes. Okay. No one is answering. What is the reason? Do you don't know dictionary, or I need to take a name from you so you will be answering? So yeah, Atharva, according to what is the dictionary?
It is a combination of key and value pairs, and duplicates are not allowed in dictionary.
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Okay. So let me go with the dictionary. So as you know, all the thing that you are mentioning, it is a key value pair. It is a key value pair. But why it is a key value pair? So let me print a good format in front of you for the dictionary comprehension. Same thing. I will be doing this thing. Okay. Where is this first code? Making a square. Why I'm doing repeating the same code? Because doing the same code again and again make you perfect. So I will write this time squares of what your dictionary. See now. See the syntax. Dictionary. Then your what the thing came your now curly braces. In that follow the proper manner. That is your. So let me delete it. Let me delete it. I am not going with the proper manner. First thing you need to write a for x in range. I am providing some range that is 1 to 6 suppose 1 to 6. Okay. So after this what I will be doing. I will be doing now here. I need to print the output as I mentioned. Whatever you are printing output, write it first. So I will be writing x. It is your key and what is your value. So this is my value. See, in what a simple manner I have explained you. No one has explained us in this simple manner. Okay, they are directly starting with this point, but it is not good point to directly write output then go with a for loop. But why it is not a good practice? Because here itself you understand what is the thing you want to print. If you are writing directly print, it means that you are mugging the thing. You are learning the things. Okay, you need to follow with this condition and then go with the output. I think the output we got is correct. Yes or no? Yeah. Anyone? Is the output correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see, you can see what we got a key and what we got the values. As in question mention x. X means your value as 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be going to increase. And your x star star square basically denote your what the thing that is your pay means your result what we want as a your key value pair. Okay. Now let's see some more examples. So it will be making you more perfect in your list comprehension. Sorry, dictionary comprehension. Okay. So syntax you can see basically it is the same, not any big deal or any big means what we you need to write only 7 lines, you need to write only 8 lines. That is not a big deal. Okay. And one thing remember, whenever you are going in the industry, whole means lot many times in the code you will be going to sing the same thing. You will be going to see the same thing. Okay. Now let me work with some condition. I will write some condition if so you will be more better. Taking with the same examples because it will make you more easier. Let me write one new list. Let me take now this time a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will be understanding the concept of this also. So this is a list in front of you to see. So I'm want to print. I want to print a what which number you are. Where was that question? Even numbers. So even numbers. Same thing. What we have done in the list comprehension. Same thing we have to do here. But only we have to interconnect. That is a key value. We need to show the key value. So let me write as even number. Uh, even number. Okay. And in that I will be doing suppose dictionary. So I will be writing X, and the thing I will be writing here, can anyone let me know what should I write here? So let me make it more trickier for you. Let me make it more trickier for you. Print. What you should print? Print. Print square even. Print square even means you should square this number and you should print the even number from it. Means basically after squaring it you will be getting this result, this kind of result. You can see there are some even numbers between, that is 2, 4 as well as 16. So you need to print this output. Is it possible? Let me check. Okay. So I have combined two questions for you, as well as even as well as printing the even numbers. So again, first we will move with our for. Okay. For x in range. For x in range. No need to take range because numbers are provided. Let me go with the numbers. For x in numbers. So if my x percent 2 equal to 0. Okay, I have done my this part. But the thing is, what should be the output? No worries for the output. As you know, we are dealing with a key value. First write your key, then your value. It will be doing the our thing very simple, because whatever will be going to happen will be going to happen in this part, and the output will be going to come. Let me print in front of you. So yeah, do I got output? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. I think something is missing. What is the missing part? Yes, what is the missing part? 2, 4, and 16. Yeah, I think it is correct. Okay, no worries. I was considering. Okay, okay, it's correct. No worries. Let me take more numbers so it will be good for you. Let me 6, 7, 8. Okay, sorry. Let me comment. Yeah, you will be getting then all the even numbers. Same code, same code. Paste here. Just change the condition for what were odd. Now see the result. Let me write here odd. Okay, odd num. Yeah. Okay. Now I hope dictionary comprehension might you be getting some idea of dictionary comprehension. Yes or no? Yes or no? Have got some idea about the
Yes.
dictionary comprehension? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Good. Okay. So let me take more question. One more question. Okay. So it will be. It is a good question. I was thinking about this question now only. So I have words. Let me not write again these words instead of, as we have names here. Okay. So let me take these names as it is. And in this, now the question is okay. I need key as my word, key as my word, and value as its length, value of its length. Suppose this is Python, so its length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need Python and colon 6. I hope question is clear to all. I hope question is clear to all. Basically, we need output in this format. This is my Python name, and its length is 6. And its length is 6. In same format, we need for all. Now we will be doing this thing with the help of our list comprehension. So let me write a proper variable name. Word length is, writing a proper variable name is a good thing. Okay, remember. Now let me write for. First we okay, sorry. Let me start with a for. Always start with a for. For I names. We are traversing names. Let me write for I names. Or one more thing I can do. If I want to do more, instead of I write word. Instead of I write word, make it more proper, more clear. Because in names there are words. in that way. Simple, making things simple. Or what will be my output? You should print all the words as a key, and whatever be the output, please provide its length as a value. See, it is executed successfully. Let me print in front of you. Yeah, you can see. Do I got output?
Yes.
Yeah. Now is this concept clear, everyone? About the dictionary comprehension? Explaining you through a very good examples. Okay, simple. So it will make you quite perfect in this concept. And if you want to be more perfect in this concept, it requires practice. Yeah, let me move it now. Your set. So C set. So before that, moving to the set, let me please anyone answer me. What is this? What is this? Please answer. What is this? Yes, anyone?
Set.
Okay. Anyone says set. What do anyone think with this dictionary? Anyone think? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So Vaishnavi think dictionary. What about Aneri? Yes, Aneri. What do you think? Okay,
Empty
Tanishq.
set or empty dictionary.
Okay. So remember one thing. If you are not quite sure, please don't go with or. Okay, don't we go with the or condition. In interview, same thing happen. If you are going with or condition, means it means that you are in trouble. Or means either this thing or that thing. You should be means fixed. Yes, I am moving with this. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe the concept be wrong. But you need to learn from the front person. Okay. Now see. Let me check its type. What is it? What is it?
Dictionary.
Yeah. Someone said set. You can see its type. What is its type? Dic. Dictionary. Dic means dictionary. Okay. So remember, any empty with a curly braces is your dictionary. I hope it is clear now. Is it clear now? Lot many
Yes.
times this question is asked. Please, if you are writing in notebook, make last 4 to 5 pages as a reference pages. Whenever you go into any interview as well as in the MCQ for the coding test, please highlight this point and go revise these points and go to the interview, because this type of questions you are going miss interview going to ask, and you will be going to stuck there itself. Very simple thing. It is written. So mainly starter everyone think that is a set, but it is not a set. As you can see, it is a dictionary. Okay. So let me move with the dictionary comprehension. So you can see in the dictionary as well as set, we use a curly braces. So how can we do the set comprehension? Is there anything difference between the set and dictionary? Can anyone let me know what is the difference? Yes, anyone? What is the difference between the set and your dictionary? Anyone?
Dictionary has the keys and values.
Hmm. Yeah. And set and set.
Set has not.
So okay, Shweta answers a good way. But remember, first thing is clear that dictionary has a key value. To identify it is a dictionary, what thing you need to identify? It should have some key as well as value. You will be going to understand. Yeah, it is a dictionary. But if you want to under means if you want to know, is it a set? Is it a set? Set is a collection of unique elements. Simple thing. Set is a collection of unique elements. So if you don't, if I also taken one deep and good session in a set. Okay. So remember, let me write one thing for you as s equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, and let me print s. You can see what I got output 1 2 3 4. I didn't got the same value two times printed because set is a collection of unique elements. If there are multiple elements of the same element repeating again, only one will be considering. I hope it is clear now. Okay. So now let me move the your set comprehension. So see, a very simple question again of a square. Why I am taking the example of a square? Because it is a good okay, example for explaining the thing quickly and in an easy manner. Same you can go with if you want to do for even number odd numbers. Then other there are more many examples. go with performing some different operations in the mathematics, and we have learned lot many codes earlier. Perform same code what we have done in the list as well as the for loop. Same code in your list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, set comprehension. See now here. So I am writing for I in range 1 to 6. And we can see if you have learned the list comprehension properly, dictionary comprehension, set comprehension is not a big deal. Same thing writing again as output. Okay, what is the error? X is not defined. Where I have taken X, okay. I need to write I here. Now see. Okay, now see output. Yeah. Do I got output? You can see on the screen. Yes, the output is correct, or any with the different thing is printed there.
Correct. Correct.
Correct. Okay. So if you want to see more example of a list comprehension, so whenever dealing with a list comprehension, whenever dealing with a set comprehension, why I'm repeating the list comprehension again, the same thing is coming from my mouth. The reason is list comprehension is basically used more instead of a dictionary as well as square as well as a set. List comprehension is used more. That's why the same thing I repeating in, and I am talking about the list more. So see, we are at the set. So set, how we can do different things in the set. So remember the syntax, all things are same, only we are dealing with the curly braces writing in the set. So if you want to check the same condition, what is for your even numbers or odd numbers? Let me write one more way. I I was thinking about this way. Let me check if this will be going to print or not. Okay. So I have taken in front of you what is this now I have taken? Can anyone let me know what is this? Let me zoom. What is this?
Set.
Yeah. Why it is a set? You have seen the curly braces. Okay. Remember, I need to print even or odd. Okay. Let me write in front of you. I even don't know I will be getting a correct result or not, but let me write. Yes, it works. It works. I have seen this type of code. Okay. See, I'm directly writing if. Okay. Instead of going with if directly, let me go with a for. As I mentioned, for x in numbers. I'm traversing numbers. Okay. But as you can see, I want to print even as well as odd. I can write here if condition. I will go and write my output here again. But this time I need both things printed, even as well as odd. To directly go in the output where you write output at the beginning. And what thing you need to write there? You need to write there if x percent to equal to 0. Okay. Then again go to the first part of your if and write there what? Even. So this is a simple way to remember how to write a list compression. And then again go forward and write here else, and else you can write first you will be doing it odd, will be printing odd. Simple thing. Let me run it and check what output I will be getting. Even odd. Why it is getting an even odd? I have done for x percent to equal to 0. Yeah. Else odd. Okay. For x in numbers. So I'm getting the result as even and odd. As I've traversed all the things properly. Let me check. Yes, it is written correctly. If x percent to else odd, even or odd. Okay, let me check again. I should get hold the list. Okay, for x in numbers. Can anyone identify any mistake here? Yes, anyone?
Then odd take before else, like even if.
Okay, you are telling that take odd before else. So the reason I got this thing, even I didn't. I was explaining you didn't. Even I didn't came to know about it. This is a very good. This is a very good question. Okay, this is a very good question. Someone mentioned that please write this odd before else, but no, this is not a proper way. If you want, let me write. But let me know if someone will be answering this question. Please come tomorrow to me. Please come tomorrow to me and take 10 rupees dairy milk from me if you are answering this question to me correctly. Please don't go and search on Google. The answer what I'm getting is correct. Even I was thinking about it, but the answer is correct. But the answer is correct. Why the answer is correct? Can anyone let me know? The answer is correct. A very simple reason. Also, I have explained it.
So if 2 is equal to 0, then n is also u n percent 2 is equal to
Okay, here something you are making. You here I want to make change. What you're talking? Okay, Aneri, can you provide code of you what you are talking about? It will be good. But I am again repeating my code is right and the output I got is also right. But why it is right? I am giving only you 1 minute, only 1 minute. After that I am answering. Okay, you will be lost your dairy milk. Okay. No, I will be answering exactly at 9:48. I will not giving you more time because I have explained why I am getting even odd. Yeah, time's up. Time's up. So now, okay, you want to try Vaishnavi? Go ahead. Please try. Only Vaishnavi will be getting chance. Yeah, Vaishnavi.
So
Please
first
explain.
element is odd. So we will get
Hmm.
odd,
Hmm.
and second would be even. So continued elements are in even and odd condition. So
Hmm.
the output would be the same.
Okay. So is this your reason? Final reason? Okay. So according to you, I will be only getting even odd, and the reason is you mentioned that the first number is even and second number is odd, so the following the same order. That's the reason you are mentioning. Yes, Vaishnavi? Yes, that's the reason. What I'm telling is it correct for you according to your answer?
As choices are even and odd,
Mm-hmm.
and both are falling in the same set, so we will get the result as even and odd. First, it
Okay.
would be checking for even condition, as we have mentioned the even first,
Mm-hmm.
and then the odd condition.
Okay. Okay. Means let me go to the code and please keep yourself unmute. Okay. So what you are telling means first we will be getting result that is even. Okay, because we are checking for the even condition. Very good. Then we are getting odd because we are checking for the odd condition. But my question is that why I'm not getting the answer means you can see the I am doing the same thing, but I should get output odd, then even, then odd, then even, then odd. Now hope it is
Uh,
clear. Yeah,
yes, I
Vaishnav?
got that.
Yeah. So let me explain you now. It is good, Vaishnavi. I tried. I appreciate his because because she was very close to answer. Vaishnavi, let me tell you that you were very close to answer. Okay, you tried your best.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let me explain you one thing, and let me write this thing. So that the thing is, I'm writing here as well. Now, anything idea you came? What I have written now? Anyone read it? Yeah, Vaishnavi, go ahead. What I have written?
There is no duplicate in set.
Okay. So by the term, what you understand? As I have mentioned, anything while starting the set. Set is a collection of which element? Set is a
Unique
collection
element.
unique element. That's the thing in your answer was missing. If you mention in that way, there is no duplicate in the set as well as the unique element. Now see the result. As you can see, here we have created answer writing. We are writing in a set. We are writing answer in a set. So even I will be getting an output as what I was expecting for output that was even sorry, let me write in proper way. That is what. So first we are checking for even, na? Okay, let me write even, and then your odd. So again even. In this way, I will suppose I will be getting answer. Okay. So as you were also thinking. So but remember, whenever we are repeating even, odd, 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 but set is a collection of which unique elements. So only these two will be getting. Now I hope it is clear to all. Yes or no? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yeah. What about
Yes.
others? What about others? Yeah. So again repeating the same thing. Please listen properly. Please listen properly. There, I also made a mistake in front of you. I was also confused. You know what happened? Even I told you set is a collection of unique elements. I was wondering where is the list, where why I'm not getting the five even odd even odd. The reason is the value are either odd or even in our question you can see, and there are no duplicates in the set, and you get only two unique elements in the resulting of the set, that is your odd and even. Therefore, you can see in our code itself, set has only two elements, not five, not five. How many elements we are expecting? Five. But how many elements results we got? Two. I hope it is clear now. All the concepts are clear now here. Again, if someone will be in the night also, if someone asking what is set, now you will be answering in proper way. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So it was good thing. I how I came to know about this question, I even don't know. But yeah, it was a really good question. I also enjoyed. If someone ask me also now, I will also remembering. A very good question. I enjoyed this question. Okay. Remember, so this was only the basic thing about your today that we learn about the comprehension. Okay, a very important thing. Whenever you are now dealing with a list as well as a dictionary as well as your set, please go with a please go with a comprehension. Write in this format only. Go with this format only. Instead of writing 4 5 lines, go with this format. You can see we can also do if else here itself. Okay, see the format, how we follow the pattern. Remember this thing. I hope today's session was quite interesting as well as meaningful and informative for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Yes or no? I'll be stopping and not taking more time because this was the concept I want to explain today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please let me know through the comment and we will stop here. Okay? If any doubt, again, please let me know. I'm here to solve your doubt. If any doubt, welcome. Please, I'm now open to discuss. Yes, yes, Tanishka and Vaishnavi. Want to speak something? No doubt, and it's clear. Okay. So remember one thing: if you're doing more questions, more different types of output you will be getting. Okay, please keep on practicing. That's why if you want to be a good coder, you need a good practice. Yes, what about others? Okay, great. Nice, good. So remember one thing, please keep practicing. Okay, please keep practicing. You can do the same questions. Okay, what you have taken in your dictionary as well as list, you can practice for state. You can practice same question of dictionary for list, same question of list to the dictionary. Okay, in that way you can practice more. So we will be stopping here. I will be stopping now. So have a good night and bye bye. Keep practicing. Okay, happy learning. Bye bye.